What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 back again, okay? Alright, so, you know something, folks? I want to tell each and every one of y'all something, okay? Alright? It's about 1 versus 100, okay? I wish James would have appeared on there first, you know? But you know what? James Holzhauer started in the chase, you know. I never watched that game show in my life, you know. So anyway, this vlog is about 1 versus 100, okay? So, what I want to tell y'all, that I enjoyed 1 versus 100 with Bob Saget, you know. And surprisingly enough, well, some of you people probably surprised, some of you wasn't surprised that Ken Jennings was on 1 versus 100, okay? So, I mean, that game show was awesome, man. I really missed that game show. I wish they'd bring that game show back, you know? I want each and every one of y'all to watch that, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I was super surprised that 1 versus 100 came back for a second season, okay? My cousin Monica thought that they canceled 1 versus 100, you know? But she loved Deal or No Deal, you know? She definitely loved Deal or No Deal. And I wonder if she was happy that they brought back Deal or No Deal, you know? I know I was, you know. And thank the Lord, thank our lucky stars that Howie Mandel is back on 1 versus 100. So, I'm going to say Deal or No Deal. God dog. I need to be careful what I'm saying, though. Sometimes I say things, and sometimes I don't hear what I'm saying, and sometimes I catch myself at the end, okay? So, do me a favor, folks. If I say something wrong or whatever, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Make sure y'all correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Without profanity, okay? Alright. So, I want to ask y'all something. Would y'all watch 1 versus 100 when they come back on TV? If Bob Saget hosts 1 versus 100? I know I would, okay? I know I would watch 1 versus 100, you know? So, the good news is I watch Deal or No Deal, you know? I mean, I like that too. You know, I love game shows, you know? My friend Brittany watched Let's Make a Deal. That's what she says. She loves Let's Make a Deal. If she don't watch Price is Right, I'm going to tell Drew Carey on her, you know? But this is not about the Price is right now, okay? This is about 1 versus 100. Sometimes Deal or No Deal, okay? That was one of my favorite game shows, and I ain't barely miss an episode, you know? I was surprised Rabbi Shmuley was on there, you know? I never thought I would see Rabbi Shmuley, you know? So, well, actually, y'all, my first time hearing about Rabbi Shmuley was on 1 versus 100. I never seen him before, to be honest with each and every one of y'all. I never even heard of him until I watched him on 1 versus 100, to be honest with each and every one of y'all, you know? So, I guarantee y'all, if they bring back 1 versus 100, I guarantee each and every one of y'all, they're going to bring back Buzzy Cohen, Matt Jackson, and especially James Holzhauer, okay? I guarantee y'all, James Holzhauer is going to be back on that game show. Well, going to be on that game show. And I won't be surprised if they bring back Ken Jennings, you know? Yes, indeed. But I want to let y'all know something. Bob Saget is cool with Ken Jennings, you know, because Bob Saget liked Ken Jennings, one of his favorites, you know. Yep. So, with that said and done, let's hope and pray that they bring back 1 versus 100, you know, and Bob Saget too, okay? So, anyway, Bob Saget is awesome, you know, so I really hope he's watching this video right now, okay? So, I'm going to put it like this. If this video don't get the producer's attention or whatever, I might hashtag 1 versus 100 in my description or my titles one day, you know. but not in this video or this title, you know. Okay, but if it don't get the attention though, if nobody don't type the petition and saying that's a cool game, then we'll never know. Alright, that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Thank y'all for watching, okay? Thank y'all for watching Dominoes 7 vlog, Dominoes 7 show, whatever, okay? Alright, so let's hope and pray that they bring back 1 versus 100, you know, with Bob Saget, okay? Not Carrie Ann, Bob Saget, okay? I like Miss Carrie Ann, you know, I like her, but I just rather Bob Saget, okay? With all the mob members in person, not on a computer screen, okay? Alright, so that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Alright, bye-bye.